Hi, I'm Mira. I work in Rainpoo technology, where Rainpoo are mainly engaged in research, development, production, and the sales of UAV optical camera and have been certified as China's high-tech enterprise.
Our products are considered as the highest level of UAV oblique camera in China, and we have achieved more than 70% of the China market share. The main partners include government departments, colleges and universities, large private enterprises, etc.
Now, we bring several of the company's most excellent products to you.
These products have gone through high-intensity testing in the market application. The stability and comprehensive technology of the products are superior, which are very suitable for actual 3D model production, orthophoto acquisition, and other project requirements. Our products are mainly divided into two categories, single lens and multi-lens. Single lens cameras are mainly used for orthophoto acquisition, and some of single lens cameras integrated with 3-axis gimbal can also be used for oblique photography data acquisition or close-range photogrammetry and other projects. Multi-lens products are mainly 5 lenses camera, which are used for oblique photography data acquisition. Compared with single lens cameras, the multi-lens have higher efficiency and can save a lot of labor costs. We also developed special data processing software for the camera, which simplifies the process and difficulty of data acquisition to the maximum extent. You can easily connect with back-end modeling software such as ContextCapture, Pix4D, Photoscan, Inpho, etc. The data processed by software can lower the possibility of data processing failure, reduce the requirement of computer performance, and decrease the time of data processing. Well, that's all for today's introduction. For more information, you can visit www.rainpootech.com.